Uh, Given question in AB calculus test, the limit of tangent 2 times pi over 8 plus h minus tangent of pi over 4 divided by h when h approaches 0. So first, if you see a number here, we could distribute this number. So the function will be tangent of 2 times pi over 8, cancel 2, then it will be pi over 4, plus 2 times h is 2h, minus tangent of pi over 4 divided by h under the same condition of the limit when h approaches 0. If you look at that, easily you could find out it's the derivative definition, fundamental theorem of derivative. So we could define the derivative in different way, which is the derivative here of a function is the limit when we have change of the function. If you want to make it h, it doesn't matter here. Make it h here, not x here. Could be h, not x. I don't want to confuse you. Sometimes they make it delta x, sometimes they make it h, sometimes they make it different. So we could say when h approaches 0, that's the little amount of change. So it will be the limit of the function after change, after change means you add h, minus the function before change divided by the amount of change. When the amount of change close to be 0, not 0, but it's close to be 0, like 0.000001 or smaller. So this is the definition of the derivative of the function. So now if you look at our question, that we make it tangent pi over 4 plus, it's the derivative of tangent. So it will be derivative of, maybe change the color here. Let's make it derivative of tangent pi over 4 plus 2h. When h, that's with respect to h. So the derivative of tangent is secant square, so it will be secant. I would like you to make it like secant of pi over 4 plus 2h. All of that square, it's secant square. You could make it square over here or square it here, because I don't want to confuse you. Times the derivative of inside function, derivative of a number, pi over 4 is 0, derivative of 2h is 2. So it will be 2 over here. Okay. That's the square. And now when we plug it in, h equals 0, this will be 0, then it will be secant pi over 4 squared. Scroll down a little bit. Yeah. So it will be secant pi over 4 square. We know that this will be 0. Substitute for h equals 0. Times 2. Secant pi over 4. Pi over 4 is 180 over 4, which is 45. We know that secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is 1 over square root of 2. If you flip it, it will be square root of 2. So this will be square root of 2 square times 2. Square root of 2 square is 2 times 2 equals 4. So the answer of this question is 4.